Okay, welcome back to part 2 of my jerk chicken episode. We're going to take a super quick look at some sides I like to do with my jerk. These are just super simple recipes. I won't discuss any secrets or techniques here. I mostly just like the sound of chopping. Feel free to skip to part 3 for Smoker 101 or part 4 for the cook.
Okay guys, so we're going to throw together some sides to go with our jerk chicken when it comes off the smoker. It's on the fire now. Everything you see here took me less than half an hour to throw together. Honestly, there's nothing to this. So, my rice and pea recipe, I'm just going to get some rice, which I'm going to rinse through and run off the starch with a touch of black pepper, thyme and allspice. Going to do it with some garlic, some ginger, some spring onions and obviously some kidney beans. I know they're not peas, it's rice and peas, shush. And then I'm just going to do a small summer salad to go on the side, nothing crazy. It's literally just going to be some onion, some tomato, some cucumber, and it'll be a nice fresh plate, lovely and tasty for this hot summer's day that we have. And hopefully all these nice cool things will cut right through what is an eye-wateringly spicy jerk on the pit. Let's get to it. We'll breeze through this rice and pea. It is really simple. First things first, we need to get our rice rinsed and start cooking. I've got my pan of rice cooking. All I'm going to add to it is just a tin of coconut milk, green onions, and the ginger, garlic, kidney beans, that much black pepper, that much thyme, yeah, about this much allspice. Give this a stir, leave it to simmer, and in about 25 minutes time this will be absolutely perfect.
And that's all there really is to that. Serving perfect smoked meat is of course the main goal, but if you're spending hours tending a fire to reach that goal, you may as well use some of that time to create some tasty additions to your plate. So anyway, join us in part 3 where I'll run you through the basics of smokers, how they work, and I'll introduce my lovely smoker too. Or skip to episode 4, don't let me tell you how to live your life.